So now we are going to discuss about the RC parallel circuit. So in a RC series circuit, already we have seen that the current leads the voltage by 90 degrees. It is a pure capacitor. When we are talking with the resistance and capacitor, it is leading with some angle. So now we will see what is the analysis of RC parallel circuit. So for that one, here I am taking this is one resistor, okay, and this is one capacitor C. So this is a resistor and this is a capacitor. Now I am exciting this by an AC source. Exciting this by an AC source. So this is my AC source. Okay, this is my IR. Okay, this is IC, and this is the total current I. Okay, now if you see the vector diagram, here I am taking this one as my V reference, okay, and with the capacitor, it is a pure capacitor, it is leading by 90 degrees. So when we are talking with the voltage, we are taking here as V as reference. V is equals V at an angle 0 degrees. Okay. Now this is my IR. Because of the resistance, both are in phase with each other. Okay. This is the capacitor IC lagging behind by 90 degrees. Okay. Now the resultant of these two I can get somewhere here. So this is my resultant. Okay, this is my resultant. So this is my I bar. Okay. Now at the same time, this is IC is equals to magnitude is IC, okay, leading by 90 degrees. Okay, these both are in phase with each other. I will take this as a phi. Leading by some angle, we don't know the phi. It is decided by the resistance and reactance, capacitive reactance present in the circuit. Now at the same time, if you see the admittance diagram, so this is my G, just now we have seen, and this is B, okay. Resultant of these two I will get as admittance Y. So what we are taking, this is G, okay, and this one is B, this one is B. So combined together, this is my admittance. So this is the phasor diagram, and this one is the admittance diagram of our RC parallel circuit. Okay. Now I want to calculate the current. So for that one, what we have taken, we have already taken V as a reference. Let we take V bar as B the reference vector, B the reference, B bar be the reference. Okay. Now when we are taking V bar as a reference, this is V at an angle 0 degrees. Now I can say that this is IR. IR is a current through the resistor. I can write it as VR by V by R. So that we got V at an angle 0 degrees by resistance R. So this is, we will get VG I am taking. Okay. This is at an angle 0 degrees. This is equals to my IR, which is making some angle 0 degrees. Okay. Now at the same time, if I want to calculate current through the capacitor, so this is V bar by jxc v bar by minus jxc, that is equals to v at an angle 0 degrees by xc at an angle minus 90 degrees. Okay, so that is equals to v into bc. So this is at an angle 90 degrees. Okay, so this is IC at an angle plus 90 degrees. Now the total current I. So from this circuit, just this is one node, this is one node. Okay, at this particular node, just how the current is adding, total current I, just remind yourself. So this is according to KCL. So remind the definition of KCL. Okay, I will give you the 30 seconds of time. Just remind the definition of KCL. Now according to KCL, entering currents is equals to leaving currents. So now I can write that the total current I is equals to what we can write, IR plus IC. IR plus IC. Okay. Now what are the IR? We have calculated, that is IR plus IC. So this is IR at an angle 0 degrees. At the same time, this is IC, okay, at an angle 90 degrees. IC at an angle 90 degrees. This is, I can write IR plus J into IC. J into IC. Now for this, if I want to calculate the magnitude, I can write it as IR square plus IC square, IR plus IC square into angle is tan inverse of IC by IR. So this is the magnitude as well as angle. This is my total current I. Now in other words, how can we calculate the admittance? So that is my V bar, already we have seen V bar into Y bar. So V bar into Y bar, the total current is V bar into Y bar is equals to V into G plus V into G plus again V into BC at an angle 90 degrees. Okay. Now I can write that this one is VG plus, because of 90 we can write J into VBL. So from these two I can take V as a common, G plus JBL. G plus JBL. Now from this V into Y I can cancel VV. So finally I will get admittance Y is equals to G plus J into BL. Okay. Now for this one, if I want to calculate the magnitude, I will take it as square root of G square. Sorry, this is capacitor, right? We can take it as C. This is C. Make a correction. This is C, and this is also C. This is C. G square plus BC square, and the angle is tan inverse of BC by G. So this is the magnitude as well as angle. Now from this, if you made the conclusions, so what is the conclusion? Current I leads the supply voltage by some angle phi. So I leads resultant current, I bar is leads V bar by angle phi. Angle phi. Now if you see the resistive circuit, in resistive circuit, V and I are in phase. Okay. In a inductive circuit, that is nothing but resistance and connectors are connected in parallel, right? So individually we are taking. So in inductive circuit, V leads, sorry, it is a capacitive circuit, right? So in a capacitive circuit, V lags the current by some angle. V lags I. Okay, this is how we can able to calculate the current in a parallel RC circuit. Okay.